Hello everyone, I'm Miss Chen. We will learn Chinese characters together from today. Are you ready? Let's get started. Chinese characters are very important for learning Chinese. They are not only writing symbols, but also contain Chinese culture and history. Learning Chinese characters well can help us to understand Chinese culture better. Chinese characters and English letters are very different. Chinese characters look more like little squares. If you want to write your Chinese characters more neatly, you can try to write every Chinese character in a small square, like this. Many people think it is difficult to learn Chinese characters, but actually, some Chinese characters come from pictures, and there are many Chinese characters that make sense. So it's not that difficult if we insist on working hard. Here's a small test for you, and take a picture of your work. You can email